Hello and welcome to Teach Crest Want to Cook kunde. Kunde is from cowpeas, so you harvest the leaves. Yeah, you can mix with terere, that's amaranthus. So to prepare, you remove them from the main stem, as seen above. Dondoa kabisa. Changanya na terere, mix it. Yeah, make as much as you want. You can mix with some derema, Malabar spinach, wash thoroughly, chop into desired pieces, then boil. Mix to ensure that they boil until palatable, Kunde can be a bit chewy, so ensure they boil thoroughly. You have your onions and tomatoes, chop your onions, chop your spring onions, vitunguu maji. There is your pre-cooked kunde. In a sufuria with oil, saute your onions, add some tomatoes, stir with your paste, add some salt, stir it in, let it simmer, then add your veggies. Mix it, but first ensure your tomatoes are steamed up well so that they can cook properly. You can crush a bit, bonda. Yeah, let it simmer. Mix it with your cooking stick. Yeah, this one I had used it to make my ugali. That's why it has those white things. I need to invest on a cooking spoon. Mix it. Oh, your veggies are almost ready. So we served with ugali, hot ugali. Hope you enjoy.